T-Rex TSR 60. It's got hand controls. Got a good bucket with replaceable edge. Started trade up, runs good. Only 1,400 hours.